Hi and welcome to Wanna Go Biking. So this should be day 3 of my Pieter Pad tour, and I am now in Nijverdal, about to head over the Sallandse Heuvelrug. This is a little ridge that goes over to the Holterberg. Well, berg is 60 meters or something. Fortunately this part I can't really follow the trail as much as I would like. I've walked quite a bit around here and I just know you can't cycle it, so from Holten onwards I should be able to follow the trail again. So see you along the way. Playtime.
From the place beneath the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow,
Oh, this is cool. Just 30 seconds and you're out in the fields. Beautiful. Well, I don't think it should be on the other side, but this works. Right, as you can see, still on the right track. The white and red stripes. This is a lovely trail. Didn't see a sign I can't cycle here, so I'll just push on. Very narrow. Right, I am now in Laren on my way to Vorden, and this part should be familiar to me as I actually walked this about 4 years ago, I think, and I think this end is about 17 kilometers. So most of the stages range from 17 to 24 kilometers, I think. But yeah, so this should be somewhat familiar. Alright, see you along the way. Wow, looks like a whole armada. So much space, guys, and you all follow each other. Don't understand that. So nice, hey? This part of the trail could benefit from a few benches. I haven't seen any at 10k, I think. If you've seen my bike tour around Vorden, and then you would have seen that it featured quite a few castles. So this is definitely one of them. Not quite sure what this is called, Bramel or something. Yeah, Kasteel den Bramel. It's from 1396. Nice. That's the real deal. Yeah. Well, if I had the money for the castle, I would also have laid down a better road, because this one's crap. So it looks like we are at crossroads here of two long distance trails. So yeah, as you can tell, it's not exactly the halfway point. So that should be about 15k down the road. All right, let's move on. Good gravel. Lovely. Oh my turfles. I should be homing in on Zellem, and I make a little visit to a castle near Doetinchem called the Slangenburg, and then I'll make a slight detour towards Doetinchem, because yeah, that's not 100% on the route, but tomorrow I will be reconnecting to the route and then follow it from there on. So yay, what an absolute fabulous day for a ride. Alright, just a brief pause and then I'll just continue. See ya. When does mud season end? I wonder. My gosh. Awfully nice at those farms to allow you on their lands. Super. Right, I should be closing in on Zellem. That means a date with a witch. So exciting times ahead. See you there. So here we have it. Local witch, Smoks Hanna. Unfortunately, I don't know anything about the story. Though actually I grew up a few kilometers from here, but I'll have to look that one up. Now, this is super cool. You can help yourself. I'm really certain it's not going to be expensive, right? Candies, €2. Drinks, 150. That is a lovely idea. Ah, you walked half the pizza pots, so you can you can buy yourself a bracelet made by Tess. I suppose that's the daughter, would be my guess. Well, I'm very close to my mom's place, so I don't need anything right now, but it's a lovely thought. Fantastic. So I've got one highlight to go, the Slangenburg, beautiful castle, and then it's tea time at my mom's, so yeah, it's gonna be fun to see her. Alright, see you later. Around 1612 by the looks of it. Well, that's relatively young for a castle in Holland. Okay, last 7k I think. Let's do it. Okay. So this is very this is very narrow. Wow, how cool. Right, that's it for me for today. I'm now heading that way towards Doetinchem, and tomorrow I'll have a rendezvous with all of you right here, because we're going either that way or that way. I'll figure that out tonight on our way further down south. So again, thanks for watching, enjoy your ride and stay safe out there. See you in the next one, bye. Stadion de Vijverberg. So it's the local pride and joy, the Graafschap FC. They're still in with a chance for promotion to our Premier League, the Eredivisie, but that's going to be difficult. I used to be on the stands with my dad a million years ago. Beautiful. Yay.